I'm peach. I love peach. I love plum. I love plum.
You want a little plum?
No, I got it. I got plum.
No, I'll get it for you. It's in the fridge. I gotta wash it for you. Sit down. I'll get you
I'm
one.
not kind of dirty.
No, it is dirty. You need to sit down.
It's not dirty.
It is dirty. Walk. No, I'm gonna get it. No. Hey, back up. Close the fridge and go sit down.
Cold.
Yeah, it's a fridge. Go sit. Go sit in your seat and I'll get you one.
I don't want this snack. I don't want this snack.
Which one do you want?
And this one. I'm the one.
Do you like the Elmo one?
Yeah.
What do you see on it?
Whoa, that's a big.
Who is that guy?
The peppers.
He has peppers?
Yeah.
What else is he?
Who's have it? Look, that's a pepper.
It looks like a pepper. Maybe it's an apple?
Ooh. There's red apple and yellow apples.
Yeah?
Purple apples.
Mm-hmm.
And red. And yellow.
And yellow.
That's a pepper.
What else do you see on there?
That's a pepper.
Is that a pepper?
Yeah.
What else do you see?
Oh,